As the number of coronavirus cases relentlessly climbs, and with the worst still up ahead, an overall strategy to address the worsening health crisis is being finalized, which will complement the Department of Health's efforts with more defined action from the police, military, and the Departments of Defense and local government. Again, PTV correspondent Mela Les Moras on the guidelines for the initiative on the drawing board that seamlessly mesh with the just ratified Presidential Emergency Powers Act in this report.
The Department of Interior and Local Government has issued a new warning for all the mayors and other local officials amid the COVID-19 pandemic. According to DILG Secretary Eduardo Año, any erring officials during these times when they are needed the most may face suspension or even worse, dismissal from duty.
That's within the power of our president. If a mayor or even a governor abuse his authority or defy an order, we can immediately put him under preventive suspension for 60 days. That's the power of the president, even before the investigation is conducted. Or the president can also dismiss any local chief executive kung kinakailangan. Pero sa ngayon, nakikita naman natin, lahat ng LGU ay sumusunod, mga local chief executives. Nasosobrahan pa nga ng initiative kaya binabawasan natin.
Secretary Año shared this in the press briefing today of the Interagency Task Force on Emerging Infectious Diseases on COVID-19 latest developments. For his part, Cabinet Secretary and IATF spokesperson Carlo Nograles reported about the provisions of their new resolution. This includes the allocation of additional funds for PhilHealth.
The Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, or PCSO, is hereby directed by the IATF to transfer 420,585,000 pesos to the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation. The said amount shall be utilized to cover COVID-19 related packages of the PHIC.
As of the moment, the Interagency Task Force is aware there are still lots of criticisms hurled against government on the COVID-19 health crisis. But Nograles and Año are both confident that at the end of the month-long implementation of the enhanced community quarantine in Luzon, the virus will eventually be contained.
What we would have achieved by April 12 is we would have been able to contain the virus. We would have been able to probably identify what communities are negative, no? So siguro we want to see more communities na negatives, na walang COVID-19 cases, and kung saan man ang mga communities na meron or kung meron man mga COVID-19 ay na-isolate na po natin sila sa communities.
That we have to assess, but I'm confident that we can. But of course, it doesn't mean that's the end of the spread. We have to still continue the practice of strict social distancing.
Mela Les Moras for the Nation.